What's up, everybody? Welcome back again to another killer Tabata workout. Today is Wednesday, August 4th, 2021. We're at the hump of the day. And it's sunny right now, but it's been raining all morning. That's why I've been waiting. I wanted to go out front and field, but that's another week. Week 2, can't go in the field. It's too wet out there. It's all flooded. So we're gonna work out back here today instead. Not a crazy workout, but one that's gonna get you winded for sure. We got the heavy med ball out here. 80 pounder right there. 80 pound med ball. If you don't have a heavy med ball, get one. It could be a med ball, it could be a sandbag, something heavy that you're gonna lift. So it's gonna take a lot out of your brain, out of your everything. So don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, turn post notifications on. So we got 20 seconds of work, 10 seconds of rest, 3 rounds, 6 minutes around, 18 minutes of work. As I said, 12 different exercises. We're gonna do some regular cardio stuff like high knees, bear crawls, and some plank plank stuff. And then we're gonna throw in the heavy med ball in between everything else, and of course abs in there too. So that's what we got today. Let's just get started, shall we? Because we got to crank this out today. It's getting hot. It's late in the day, but we're gonna go. We are gonna go. If I can only get my timer to work, we'd be in good shape. Here we go. Let's get started. First thing we got is high knees. Yes, you can do high knees many ways. Actually, 2 ways. You can jump and go fast. You can just do them this way. Bring it up as high as you can. Squeeze the core tight. Or, of course, you can do them this way. Lean back. Get your knees up. Nice. Med ball, heavy med ball pickup. So this is where we're just going to pick it up and drop it. It's heavy. Like I said, it's 80 pounds. So get yourself set right here. Oh, that was. Pick it up. Right here. And then drop it. Pick it up. And drop it. Pick it up. Use your legs. Use your core. Drop it. Pick it up. One more. Drop it. It's med ball push-ups. So you can either do both hands on the med ball here like this. So it's more of a close grip push-up. Or you can do one hand on the med ball and then switch hands. But I was thinking to do these because this is good for your triceps also. Nice. Med ball glute bridges. Everyone knows how to do a glute bridge, but this time we're gonna roll this 80 pounder. Holy shit, if we can, right onto your belly. And then you're gonna lift up. 1 second pause. Woo! That's heavy. Usually we just do 45-pound plates, but this is a little tougher. One more. Woo! That was rough. That's pretty heavy. Next, bear crawls. Start right here. We're gonna crawl down. Crawl it. All the way down. About 10 seconds. Turn it. Come back. Bring your knees up all the way. There you go. Heavy med ball clean of press. Woo! All right, so pick it up, clean it. So it's clean, and then press. There you go, drop. Clean, and press. Come on, one more. Clean, and press. Oh shit, it's fucking heavy. Push-up squares. Get this out of the way. So we're gonna do push-ups. Check this out. Push-up. Go up, 1. Go over 1. over. That's the square. Heel taps. So you did push-ups and then move. Heel taps right here. So you're gonna reach for those heels. Woo. Come on, reach. All the way around, come on. Nice. Okay, starting off the top. Flying side to side hops. So we're getting to this push-up plank where you go side, side. So you can go in the middle or just go right to the side. Side, side. Probably better to go down, up, down. Side, 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 side. Ooh, the hair is flow. Med ball shoulder toss. Flip it over the shoulder. So, up, over. One. Up, opposite shoulder. Two. Up. Three. One more. Shit was heavy. Push up to planks. Side planks. Back to the push ups. And then we plank it. So push up, side plank. Push up, side plank. Push up, side plank. Push up, side plank. Push up. One more. Push up, side plank. Woo. Last but not least, V-ups. Bring it in, come on. This is where you're going. Straight up. Up. Bring your arms on the outside of your legs and then reach it up. The sun is blazing. One more for good luck here. Nice. Woo, that was brutal. Get yourself some water. That would suck being out in the field because it's hot and that field's even hotter. So, damn, the tan is rocking. I haven't noticed it because I always got my shorts up, but guess I've been getting some good sun lately. Again, like, subscribe, share, comment, turn notifications on. Day 3 of the fast. Feeling good, feeling out of breath, but also feeling jacked and shredded. And the hair is flowing, it's a mess. That's okay though, the wind's kicking. As I said, like, subscribe, share, comment, turn post notifications on. That's what we got today. Get it done. Don't forget, get yourself a heavy med ball, 60, 80, 100 pounder. I'd love to get a 100 pounder next. Start picking up the hundreds. Ooh, it's gonna be rough. So that's what we got going today. Neil the grinding wheel with the hair flowing and it's showing. Peace out.